First it was snow, then wind, then rain, and now our entire enclosure is gone. We didn't plan for a saga like this, but here we are. 2 storms, 1 week. What you're about to see rattled us, but we still felt in control. We believed we could fix this. Everything was rolling. Long days, long nights, real progress. The refit finally felt like momentum, like we were building towards something big. Okay, so we had our first snowstorm last night, and it was pretty good, about 6 inches and heavy snow, not like light, flaky snow. It's packing snow. So I'm at the boat. I want to assess the enclosure, see if we're good with it. So come take a look. Yeah. I can't work like this. That's a lot of snow in there. Oy. Yeah, I gotta do something about this here. I think the front half is great. This is where I had to do those slits. So up at the bow, it's really good, right? So take a look, completely dry. It's all good here. We thought we were looking at the worst of it. We weren't even close. This is where the rigging goes through. And in order to get the rigging through, you have to cut the tarp from, from all the way up here. And then when you cut the tarp, you can't pull it that tight, and any kind of snow like that tears all this off. In a second, I'm going to show you what we found underneath the collapse frame, and well, it wasn't good. Like this. Absolutely not. So this wasn't even supposed to be in a video at all. I just came to check on the boat. The other day it snowed a ton, you saw that footage. Today we had up to 60-knot gusts wind, and take a look at what happened. The wind and rain collapse. So somehow, someone was pissed at me from above because that I-beam got knocked down, and that was held with 4 pillars up there. I mean, you could even see it now that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2x4s assisted together, and they're all still together. There's no break in that. So I cut off a lot of the tarp, and I just can't stop analyzing this right now. At the end of this storm, we realized this wasn't repairable. It wasn't even a fight we could win. The shelter was gone. We went from fixing the damage after the snow to losing everything we'd built. And that shift, that moment, changed the whole trajectory of this refit. What would you do next? Rebuild, reinvent, leave it exposed and just push forward? Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day. Hey, if you stayed to the end, you're an absolute rock star. Seriously, thank you to all our early subscribers and our Freedom family. Your support, your encouragement, and the fact that you show up here with us, that means the world. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to climb on board. We'd really appreciate a thumbs up on the video and drop a comment. We read every single one. Until next time, friends, fair winds, following seas, and we'll see you in the next chapter of the Shelter Saga.